Hi everyone, Adams here.
Woo! Vale, vale.
The driver loses control in Tegucigalpa and crashes directly into a fuel pump, pinning 3 attendants against the equipment. The impact causes severe damage to the pump and vehicle, and emergency medical teams responded to treat the 3 injured workers.
I knew it was coming! Holy!
A severe summer storm can turn a quiet street into a danger zone in seconds. High-speed winds rip a corrugated metal roof off a building in Thailand and hurl it across the road. The heavy debris strikes a parked red car and a moving motorcycle. The motorcyclist manages to abandon their bike and run for cover just in time.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
I have no clue. Three-way eagle, let's go! All right, consistent, build up that momentum, guys. We're going through it. All right, dig in, guys. Give it everything you got. Let's go. Dig in hard. All right, get down. Let's go. We're gonna pick up campfire. Let's go. Watch campfire. Watch right side. Watch right side.
Ой, видел? Ну огонь, блин, прямо это. Блять! Он загорелся, ёб твою мать!
This intelligent driver in western Russia sparks a lighter inside a Citroën, while an unventilated liquid gas container is leaking in the passenger compartment. The resulting incident blows out the windows and catches the vehicle on fire. But everyone survived. The lesson here is that you must never transport unsecured flammable gases in a cabin, let alone introduce a spark near them. A trainer aircraft experiences a severe loss of control over Mardan and comes down onto a roadway. The incident results in a total loss of the aircraft. 3 civilians on the ground were all lost tragically, and the medical team responded to the scene. Total financial impact hit $5 million for the aircraft and ground damage, with significant repair costs to the local infrastructure. An SUV loses control and collides with a semi-trailer truck that had the right-of-way in Guangdong. The truck to overturn and results in a total loss of the SUV. A tragic loss of life occurred for the driver of the car, while the 2 individuals in the truck sustained injuries. Total financial impact hit $200,000 for the vehicle and infrastructure damage, with a tragic loss of life reported.
那个小车直接都融化了，那还有人呐、人呢？驾驶员都不见了。
Итог заправки на объездной.
Now take a look. This is exclusive dash cam video that is now the subject of several law enforcement investigations. Shows the moment a red semi-truck plowed into a number of vehicles on the westbound 10 freeway in Ontario just after 1 p.m. yesterday. The CHP told the LA Times the driver of this big rig is a 21-year-old man who is now under arrest on suspicion of driving under the influence of drugs. A total of 4 semis were involved and also 4 passenger vehicles, one of them exploding in flames.
A white vehicle loses control at a busy intersection in Brampton and crashes directly into the side of a school bus carrying passengers. The impact causes significant damage to both vehicles and sends shockwaves through the community. But everyone walked away safely.
Whoa, shit. Oh, man. Did you get it all? Yeah, I hope he's okay. Yeah, he's okay. I don't fucking believe that.
Street. As the bus turned out, the speeding car clipped the bus.
Ой-ой-ой, да-да-да. А я перепутала с этим, с Архангельском. Ёб твою мать! Тормози! О! Мама! Матерь моя дорогая!
A red semi-tanker almost overturns on a multi-lane highway and blocks several lanes with debris and dust. The low visibility conditions make it extremely dangerous for approaching drivers. The lesson here is that you must always reduce your speed around trucks.
Переходи быстрее на этот ряд.
Тихо, быстрее не надо.
Ой, ёб твою мать. Пиздец, Вова. Остановись, остановись, Христа ради. Слушай, слава богу, там живой. Ой.
А мне опасно.
Боже мой, слушай, хорошо, что пиздец.
Мама, подожди, у них летом.
Ой!
Ой! Ой! Ой, Коля, все не могу. Ой! Ой, мамочка.
Нет, блядь. Живой там?
Ой! Коля, нельзя стоишь себе какая-нибудь.
Over 20 cars pile up on an expressway in South Korea after a sudden temperature drop creates invisible ice on the road. A Good Samaritan gets out of his vehicle to warn oncoming traffic about the disaster ahead. He slips and falls on the icy pavement, but quickly gets back up and continues waving his arms to stop more cars from entering the pileup. Total financial impact hit $3 million for the multiple vehicle losses and highway cleanup, but miraculously, only minor injuries were reported.